Not every customer will complete their booking. In fact, only a small percentage of them will. That's why we've introduced our cart recovery feature. To edit your cart recovery email, head over to the main menu and choose the Automations dropdown. Under the Automations tab, you will want to select Emails. Scroll to the very bottom of the Email Automations menu and choose Abandoned Cart. This will bring you to your Abandoned Cart email editor, where you have the ability to edit your abandoned cart email. You can edit text and insert dynamic fields using our convenient copy and paste tool. By default, we have already inserted your booking link into the booking button. This will send your customers directly back to where they left off in the booking process. Remember to click Save at the bottom of the page for your changes to go into effect. If you'd like to learn how to enable cart recovery emails, watch our video on enabling cart recovery.